Because we almost alkaline. Yeah, almost alkaline. Yeah. Ja. Rastafaro. Blessings to Wholeness family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem Pierre. If you're new, welcome to the vibes. As y'all can see, we're back. I'm back home. We're back in Almost Alkaline Kitchen today. I spent the last 2 weeks in Egypt, and it was really an amazing, life-changing experience. But I missed cooking, y'all. I was so excited to get home and continue experimenting and trying new recipes. But the thing is, I was still jet lagged. Like, I'm still really tired right now. So I didn't want to cook up some like big elaborate feast, but I wanted some new flavors and I missed avocados. So today I went back to one of my staples, which is a chickpea scramble. But instead of serving it just over a bed of lettuce, what I did is I made a flatbread out of avocado. And I'm excited. I had a little bit earlier today and I'm like, yo, I gotta film this. I gotta share with my people. So we're gonna get into that recipe. Y'all gonna love this. This is a recipe that's been on my channel before, but I feel like it deserves its own video. So let's get into the recipe. Boom! So there we have it. Such a simple, quick and easy recipe. Even the flatbread, which seems like it's something special, it's just avocados and flour. Nice and easy. Look at that, y'all. And y'all can really do whatever you want for toppings. I kept it really simple with some kale and some cherry tomatoes. But y'all can do whatever you want, really. Be creative, have fun with it, but let me get into this. One second, I'll be back. It's missing one thing, and that's some sauerkraut. A little bit of sour flavor on top of this is gonna make this the most epic, quick little feast that you can make. It's gonna make you feel nourished. Now it's adding some gut health benefits to it. Give thanks. Boom, I'm so happy I remembered that. Now that's perfect. If y'all want the recipe to the sauerkraut, I have a video on my channel. I'll put the link in the description. So let me know if you tried this recipe out. It's something so quick, easy, simple, nourishing. It just makes you feel so good. If you do make it, tag me on my Instagram at akimo.therapy and let's see what you can do with it. Give me some inspiration because right now I'm a little bit jet lagged. I'm a little bit tired, so I just did something so simple. But let me see what y'all do with it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back here, Almost Alkaline Kitchen, chefing up, cooking up some great recipes and just experimenting and having fun. Look forward for a lot more content than I was posting before I left for my trip. I just been hit with the creativity bug and I want to share so much with y'all. So I'm giving thanks for life, giving thanks for all of y'all who are tuning in. I'm giving thanks for this vital nourishment. I'm so grateful to be back in the kitchen. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Ja Rastafaro.